Reminisce about things we had together. Reminisce about shit we've been together. Remember things, remember the schedule. I remember things we've been together. I don't want us kill, I just wanna rattle. You want us big, I want my baby. You wanna big, I want my baby. Oh yeah, I didn't sleep all these nights. The hike and I met is so special. How she wanna feel what she felt was with me. I hate his relationships, making it make us I ain't get time. Music is my only passion. That is why I was speaking the studio over cribs and shit. Looked at each other a million times when they have any action. Trust me, I'm scared of the feelings, so what do you wait from me? Want me around but the question, will you be until the death with me? Tryna convince me we should be together, you said you could help me live. But I'm living alright, everybody is running around. You just wanna spend my cash, you ain't think about my heart. Shit on me a scar, life is getting dark. I don't see the light, leave my dust behind. Everything I did, she still she like I'm the one. Everything she did, I can say she had some fun. Slowly used to pay, her but I won't cry. No, I can't fight back, won't see me around. I've been fantasizing, hope my dreams come in my life. I ain't checking weather in the crib, can see the sky. And if it's rain, it's great, they shouldn't see my tears. And it's real for me, I don't want them see me weak. I remember times with saving all your peaks. And you better never know the fuck I did. Are you pretty? I can't debate, I'm getting free. Every time you come around, my heart beat like this. I just reminisce and my heart goes like this. I would never think that love is more than feel. And I'm begging you, please let's be only real. My heartbeat won't stop till I see you again.